want to race Kevin? Yes! I picked Chase! I picked Rocky! 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! I win! Let's have another race! Brothers and toys! Hi guys, welcome back to our video. Today we got the Paw Patrol Adventure Bay Rescue Way and we got the Paw Patrol cars and let's open it. Inside we got the things to build it. Pass me that, please. Yes, thank you. Everything goes together. Yay! We finished building the base! Now let's put the cars up! Yay! Let's put the car in! Let's push the telescope! Oh, there's a fire down here! We need to call Marshall and Chase! Let's put the fire out. 3, 2, 1, go! Yay, I put the fire out! All of the pups are racing! Wow, it's so cool! All of the pups are racing! Wow, it's so cool! Do you want to race, Bailey? Yes! I choose Chase! I choose Marshall! 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! I win! Do you want to race? Yes! I choose Sky! I choose Marshall! 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! I win! I choose Chase! I choose I choose Ruffle! 3, 2, 1, go! I lose! I choose Zebra! Rocky! 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! I win! I pick Ruffle! 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! I win! I pick Sky! I pick Marshall! 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! I pick Sky! 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! I win! Let's have another race! I pick Muscle! I pick Rocky! you.